We'll guide you through how to use Printify and Etsy together. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Printify's website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be on the dashboard. Look for the Manage My Stores section in the sidebar and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to connect a new store. Click on this and you'll get a list of platforms. Choose Etsy from this list to start the integration process. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your Etsy account, enter your credentials, and authorize the connection between Etsy and Printify. Once connected, you can start creating products on Printify. Go to the catalog tab and select the type of product you want to design, like a t-shirt or mug. Use the design tools provided to create your product. Once satisfied with your design, click Save Product. Now go to the My Products section and click on the product you just saved. You'll see an option to publish to your Etsy store. Click this and follow any additional prompts to set your product's price, description, and other details. After publishing, the product will appear in your Etsy listings. Make sure to double check the listing on Etsy to ensure everything looks good. This integration allows you to manage your orders through Printify, which will handle production and shipping while you focus on marketing and selling on Etsy. It's a great way to streamline your print-on-demand business. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.